residential retreat. The theme, Heal the Healer. And I'm privileged to have Father Anand in a special way to organize and animate the retreat for us these 2 days. He has happily accepted, and I'm sure with his vibrant personality and forceful preaching, after this 2 days retreat, you are going to turn the world upside down. That's what we can't miss him, because his spirit is seen already in his words, and he's going to do miracles for you. And I wish him all the best in the spiritual effort to dig out whatever is good in you, and goodness may be promoted through you to the world. Father, a very hearty welcome to DonBosco College. Let's put our hands for Father.